Mix cream cheese, powdered sugar, vanilla, and blueberry jam until smooth and creamy. Add crushed graham crackers and freeze-dried blueberries. Then mix until combined. Chill the mixture. Scoop and roll into small truffle balls. Freeze until firm. Then dip each truffle into melted chocolate until fully coated. Finish with a chocolate drizzle and crushed freeze-dried blueberries. Creamy blueberry cheesecake in every bite. The perfect little treat.
These homemade strawberry Three Musketeers bars are pure fluffy heaven. Melt your white chocolate, then stir in crushed freeze-dried strawberries for that real berry flavor. Now fold in marshmallow creme until it's light and fluffy. Spread it into a lined pan and chill until firm. Dip each bar in melted pink chocolate for that classic candy shell. Let them set until the shell hardens. Soft, fluffy, and totally irresistible. You need to try this strawberry cheesecake balls. Cream cheese, crushed graham crackers, and chopped strawberries get mixed into a thick, creamy filling. Roll the cheesecake mixture into balls, then dip them in melted white chocolate for a smooth, glossy shell. Save this for your next craving. This chocolate peanut butter dump cake is pure, gooey comfort. Whisk chocolate cake mix, chocolate pudding mix, and milk just until the batter turns smooth and glossy. Pour it into a greased pan. Then dot the top with creamy peanut butter and plenty of chocolate chips. Bake until the edges are set and the center is fudgy. Then scoop it warm for that molten chocolate peanut butter bite. You need to try this strawberry mounds bars. Shredded coconut, strawberry jam, and sweetened condensed milk, folded together until thick and deeply combined. Press the coconut mixture firmly into the pan, then pour melted dark chocolate over the top, letting it spread into a smooth, glossy layer. Simple, fast, and delicious.
Mix pistachio cream, chopped pistachios, toasted katafi, and melted butter until well combined. Press the mixture into a parchment-lined pan and chill until firm, then cut into equal rectangles. Melt dark chocolate with coconut oil. Dip each bar until fully coated, and place on parchment paper. Chill until set. The rich, creamy pistachio filling is so crunchy and absolutely irresistible. These homemade chocolate peppermint patties are cool, creamy, and wrapped in snappy dark chocolate. Start with powdered sugar and softened butter, and press them together so the filling turns fine and sandy. Now add light, roll it evenly, then cut clean rounds while the filling is still pliable. Chill those rounds until they're firm enough to dip without bending. For the coating, melt dark chocolate with a little coconut oil over gentle steam. Dip each cold peppermint round so the chocolate coats the top, bottom, and edges. Tap off the extra so the shell stays thin and crisp. Once set, you get that cool peppermint center and a clean chocolate snap. This silky chocolate fudge is pure melt-in-your-mouth magic. Start with sweetened condensed milk, add semi-sweet chocolate, then butter, over low heat. Stir gently until everything melts completely smooth. Keep it glossy, don't let it boil. Now add vanilla and a little salt. Pour it into the lined pan. Smooth the top, let it cool until completely firm, then lift and slice. Look at that rich, creamy center. This is the creamiest homemade vanilla ice cream you'll ever make. Start with whole milk and pour in heavy cream. Then sugar. Split a vanilla bean and scrape those seeds right in. Whisk your egg yolks until they lighten up. Then temper them by adding the hot milk slowly so the eggs don't scramble. Pour it all back and cook gently. When it coats the spoon and holds a line, it's ready. Strain it smooth, then chill it completely cold. Churn it until it looks like soft serve. Then freeze until firm. Rich, creamy, and totally worth it. Creamy lemon ice cream at home. Whip the cream, then fold in condensed milk, lemon zest, and fresh lemon juice. Keep it airy, smooth it out, then freeze until firm and scoopable. So bright and creamy.